Hi, I'm Patrick McGuigan. I'm a senior repair specialist. I'm from Philadelphia. I've worked for Fitzpatrick since 2012. You know, I like solving problems. I like trying to figure out what's going on. The thing that's different about doing repairs versus installs is, you know, you get to see all the different ways things get done and all the different wrong ways that things get done, and coming up with solutions is it's interesting. I play 9-ball. I play 9-ball tournaments. That's probably my #1 hobby. Beyond that, coffee. I love coffee. I love good coffee. I love expensive coffee. I love going somewhere weird to get weird coffee. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, I guess just recently I had a baby son. He's 9 months old. Married my wife and starting a family and buying a home, and yeah, I guess that's my biggest achievement so far personally. My favorite charity is UNICEF, just because of the work that they do for children all around the world.